Hello, this is Coding Meal Kit Doka Coder. Have you ever imagined a life without smartphones and the internet? If we had to live without smartphones and the internet right now, how do you think it would be? Technologies that were unimaginable just a few years ago are now deeply embedded in our daily lives. When the internet first appeared, many people found it difficult to accept the change called the internet. To be precise, they found it unfamiliar. But what about now? The internet has become an essential tool in our lives to the extent that living without it is impossible. Those who quickly embraced the internet back then discovered tremendous opportunities in the early market and achieved many successes. AI will soon play that role. AI is increasingly penetrating our lives, and a world where it's hard to imagine a life without AI is coming. The ability to utilize AI well has become crucial in this era. To utilize AI well, the ability to think logically and solve problems is very important. And it's programming that can help you develop this ability. To utilize AI well, you must be able to ask good questions and think logically. Programming will be a powerful tool to develop such logical thinking. And more importantly, learning programming will bring significant changes to your life. Your ways of solving problems, analyzing data, and finding ideas will improve. And your perspective on the world will change. With this perspective, if you utilize AI, you can achieve more effective and creative results. Programming knowledge will be a shortcut for you in the new AI world. However, many people want to learn programming but feel overwhelmed because they don't know where to start. We aim to solve this problem by helping you safely enter the world of programming. Coding Milk Kit is not a course to become a programmer. We will condense the content into the easiest units, so you can first understand the big picture of programming. When you enter the world of programming, we will play the role of clearing the fog. Our course is not about making apps or websites. It's not a production-focused course. What our channel aims for is to give you the eyes to read code. Whether you have no programming experience at all, have been frustrated in other courses, or want to taste programming a little, this course is for everyone. From basic programming concepts to simple coding exercises, and learning centered around real examples, you will become familiar with programming. And since most of the exercises will use browsers like Chrome or Edge, there's no need to install or configure anything separately. To emphasize again, Coding Meal Kit is not a course to become a programmer. It's to learn the basics of the basics and to get closer to programming. You can do it too. Learn the basics of programming and get ahead in the AI era. See you in the course. Thank you.